how to copy trade in Vantage. Here's how it works. You want to load up the Vantage website and then click on this new feature, copy trading here. The first thing that we have to select is copier. You will need to open a copy trading account. Once you click on open copy account, it's going to show you the different account types. You have standard, raw, swap free here, and you can choose also the account currency and any additional notes which you may have to write here, and you will submit the live account copy trading application. Once you have a copy trading account, then here we can click on signal provider and you can select different signals which will alert your account. And the very easy way of copy trading and copying someone is just clicking on discover here, and you will see these different people which you can copy. And once you have selected or chosen someone you want to copy, you will just click on copy here and go through the prompts, and that is how you copy trade on Vantage. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.